Python. Just if I place it, here I will write it with the country code. With the country code I am writing. So I'm just trying to write it here with the country code. There I'm writing students 2.py. So there I will take it. Enter your mobile number with the country code. With the country code 13 I will take it with country code. With the country code. Okay. So here I need to take along with this slash D. What I need to write before students? What I need to write plus 91 I need to write 91. 91 extra I need to write it. Exactly it should start like this only. Exactly I need to start. But you try to write it. If this is a case, we are going to say what? It is not a it is not a mobile number or called invalid mobile number. Something like I said. So this plus 91 is added. Try to compile and execute it. Compile and execute students. Go to the location. Of course, regular expressions here. 2.py. Coming to the command prompt. Coming to the command prompt. Here I am going to write it. So there I'll go for this. Run to this. There I will take up e colon. Go to the location. Python here. 4 p.m. Regular expressions. There I will run this code. Py. So it is going to give you. So try to run this. So we'll enter the data something like plus 91 plus 91 9999 like this and 8888 like this I entered. So what is happening? Lot of errors came. Lot of errors came here. So that means the data which you have written it, the data which you have written it plus 91 is going to be taken as what? Before this slash D, this is a regular expression. It is not treated as a regular expression here. Before that, this plus with a 91 is considered as non-validation character here. For that, what I am suggesting is try to write a double slashes. Try to write a double slashes to take plus 91 as it is. If I write just a slash, what will happen? It is taken as what? It is taken as what? Slash means what? Predefined characters. Predefined character classes. But it is not a predefined character class. Right? We defined our own thing. I will write what? Double slash plus 91. It means it has to start exactly with plus 91. Write double slashes. Are you following me? Especially I am using this. It's an important students. Try to run students. Now you go for it. Now you say this one. What is happening? Is not a valid mobile number. It is not a valid mobile number it is taking. So why this is coming like this? This is also going to take up. This is also going to be taken up. Write one more double slash here. Try to take it. Try to take it. Here I am writing it. Try to write it. So enter this. First of all, you can cancel this. So there I will write it. Here you write it. What is happening? Is not a valid mobile number it is saying. So enter the country code. Enter the country code. So it is giving you plus 91. This R you remove it. This R you remove it. Try to cancel it. So it is going to be called what? Valid mobile number. This is valid. That R you need to remove. Are you following me? This is a valid mobile number. Are you getting? So if I write it, something like plus 92, plus 92, if I write it, plus 92, what will happen? It is going to be called what? Not a mobile number. Try again. If I write it, something like 94 or something like 99, It is also called what? Not a valid mobile number. If I say exactly something like this, if I say something like this, if I say something like, some A I'm writing, what is this now? Not a valid mobile number. And if I say something like 7, it is going to be a valid mobile number. Are you following me now? So this is comes under the value called what? Double slash D, something like this. Okay, students? Fine. So this is one of the most important aspects, students. Double slash 91 and this type of value to be taken. So if you are interested, you can also write it something like this. Suppose your mobile number need to start with same thing. I will start with, here I am writing, my mobile number should start with what? Only 98. Only 98 only it should start. It should start with 98 only. And there I will write it slash D, slash D. Here I will write it. How many I will write it here? 8 I will write it. 8 I will write it. Slash 8. Are you following me this slash 8? Why 8 here? Already 2 are completed, right? This is also called what? Valid mobile number. So not a mobile number because my interest is this 98 only to start with. So 3.py, 3.py, try to run this. Take care. This one, execute it. Py, py. So I'll say 3.py. Try to run this code. What is happening now is not a valid mobile number. Why? Because it is starting with what? 9999. You say something like, next one you try to write it. You write 98 here, 98. So what is happening? Is a valid mobile number. Are you following me? Suppose if I write it like one more example, if you are interested. Suppose if you want to start with, your mobile number should start with either 999, either 9 or what? 8. Either 9 or 8. Anyone. 998889, anything, any one of it, it starts with, it is no problem. Other than that, if you start, it is called what? Invalid mobile number. Are you following me? So this is called what? 4.py. These are all varieties of things, students. Try to understand me, online students. So, so enter this. Now I'm saying that also it is called valid. Now I'm going to take up here two things you remove. 77 I am writing it. 77 is called what? Not a valid mobile number. You say here what I am writing now. What I am writing. 88 you write it. It is called what? Valid mobile number. You say anyone you say. Here I will write it 8989. You say something like this. You say something like, you say something like 8787 is called what? Valid mobile number. That number, any one of it, any one in the square bracket when I read either 9 or 8. Rest of them can be anything. I hope you are following me. So, students in online, I hope it is more clear. Shall I go to the next example? Right. Now here, this place, you can write 0 to 9 also, you can write it. 0 to 9 also, because that is already understandable to you. Now we will move to the further. Okay, students. Now, next example. Open the notes. All of you open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will extract, which will extract, which will extract, which will extract names of the names, which will extract the names of the people, which will extract the names of the people, which will extract the names of the people from given text, from given text, from given text, from given text. by using regular expressions. Of course, it is possible only with regular expressions. With regular expressions. Right, students. Now, look at that. Go to the Python program now. Go to the Python program here. Others here. Python now. Here I am writing. Program for, program for, program for extracting, program for extracting the names of the people, names of the people, names of the people from given text, from given text by using regular expressions. So let me go for it. So first, as usual, students, import RE, import RE you are taking. And the given text you take it, students, given text you take it. So the given text I'm going to take it something like this. So I'm going to take it GD is equal to, now I'm writing Rosam got, Rosam got 56 marks. Rosam got 56 marks. Carefully follow me, students. Next, Travis got, Travis got 45 marks. Travis got 45 marks. Next, Hunter got, Hunter, Hunter got, here I'm writing, Hunter got 66 marks, 66 marks. And Dennis got some 99 marks. And something like Richie got 33 marks. And James Gosling got so 44 marks. This is what the content I have. Observe this data carefully, students. From this place, actually PVM don't know that Rosam, Travis, Hunter, Dennis, Richie are called names. But by studying this data pattern, any word starts with a capital letter, that is considered as a name. Any word first letter starts with a capital letter, it is considered as a name. Here Rosam R capital, Travis T capital, Hunter H capital, Dennis D capital, Richie R capital, and then Gosling G capital. This is known as what? The given data with what? First letters capital. In point of PVM, all are called words only. Collection of words connected with what? Double quotes. So everything is called word only. Now I want to get which kind of things are considered as names. Whichever word first letter is capital, that is considered as a name. Even if I write a word called marks, M capital like that, that is also considered as a name only. But the planned thing is what? They given the names in the case of what? First letter is capital. So we need to plan for such pattern like that. How do you prepare? Such pattern is equal to, I need to search my data from beginning of the data to ending of the data iteratively. Iteratively, I need to look for. Find ITR, I can take it. With indices will be coming. With indices will be coming. How do you get it now? RE dot find ITE or find ITE or of. I will pass it what here? Search pattern I will pass it. Plus next I will go for what? Come on. GD. Given data I will pass it. So I need to prepare the search pattern or not? So this is going to be search pattern is equal to prepare. This is called match details. Match details. I'm going to take it. What is my search pattern? That is the biggest question mark now. Your talent will come in the preparation of search pattern. How do you prepare the search pattern, students? First thing, I need to take a, what is my main target? First letter of the words must be capital. How do you take the capital letters here? A to Z. This is the one. Because of that, what will happen? Because of that, what will happen? Just you try to write it here. I am writing SP comma, what I am writing? GD. SP comma GD I am writing. Because of that, this is a match details, right or not? Match details this is. What is happening? This match details for MAT in MAT details, MAT details, MAT and MAT, no index I want. Directly I can go for what? Group I can write it. Group. So what is happening because of that? What will be the letter starting with the capital letters that will come? What is this now? Names extract. Names extract example 1.py. Names extract example 1.py. So there I'm trying to write it. Names extract example 1.py. Save this code, come out of that. Py. Names extract example 1.py. What is coming? R, Rosam R, Travis T, Hunter H, Dennis D, Richie R, Gosling G. First letters are coming. So according to my search pattern, I am able to retrieve it. Okay, that I'm locating seriously. Next, I need to locate what? Small letters. How many? How many? How many? One capital letter is I want. The rest of them are what? Small letters. Don't write inside of that. Don't write inside of that. If I write A to Z, what will come? All the words will come now, except numbers. Everything will be coming. See, like that, it is going to come. All the letters are coming. Now I don't want that. If I write that, it is coming all the letters. Now I don't want that. What I want now? I don't want this. Now I want what? Here I will write it. So, okay, let it be. I don't want, I wrote inside the single bracket only. I don't want the letter by letter. I want a group of characters. One or more I will write it. What is this now? Plus. What it indicates? What it indicates? Words will come. Words. Run this now, students. My dear students, look at that. All words are coming or not? All words. One or more. But which one I want to remove? Small things I need to remove. So what I will do? I will take a capital letter A to Z. That is the number one. After that, one more bracket you open. A to Z you write it. What is this A to Z? First one, capital. Next one, small. I want that combination. Look at that. What will be the answers now? RO, TR, Hunter, DE, RI, GO. One only coming. But how many I want? One or more. One or more means what should I write it? Plus. Then see now. What is this A to Z? Capital letter. After that what? Small letter. How many? One or more. That is called what here? Plus. I think you are following. So try to run the students. Now see students. Now here I am going to write it. Now beautiful code is coming. Are you following me? This is written. If you want to get it, any index you want to get it, come on. What is this now? MEAT dot. What is this now here? I will write comma here, students. MEAT dot start. I am going to write it. Start. I am going to write it. Start. I am going to write it. Execute this now. I got the starting positions 0, 22, like this. You want ending also? What you want ending also? MEAT dot end also I will write it. MEAT dot end also I will write it. Ending also 0 to 6, 22 to 28, 44 to 50. These are all the indices. But I don't want the indices now. That's why I'm printing what here only? Group. You can get it like this. Only names are coming. I think you are following me. Instead of going for this complicated code, I will simply write what find all also I can write it. Find all is enough. Why? I want just names only, no? So I will write it here what? Names list. You print students here. What is this now? Names list. So I hope you are following me now, students. Names list. You execute it. Am I getting the names list in list or not? How do you print this data now? I'm going to write it. Print of it. Something like names. Student names, I will write it. List of student names. I can write it. Print of list of names. List of names. How do you write it now? For name in where names list. Names list for names in names list. Print of what students. backslash t dot format of what? Names. Names. You try to execute. See students, you are going to get it. What happens? So execute it. See students, you are getting the list of names. Are you following me? So list of names are so getting here. So I hope that you people are understanding the list of names. Clear up? So what is the regular expression here? Carefully try to understand. This is most important here. So our predefined, programmer defined, all of them are supposed to be used here like this. Clear up? Right. Online students. So respond it. This is more clear. I think so. Shall I move to the further next? Write down. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract which will extract marks which will extract marks which will extract marks from the given text which will extract the marks from the given text which will extract the marks from the given text. So how to do it? So now I'm going to take up students. Here I'm writing others, writing here now program for program for extracting program for extracting the extracting the marks from given text by using what here? Regular expressions. By using regular expressions. Same. I will be trying to get this data, students. Here you will try to get it. RE, here also I'm going to get it. So students, got it. Now I need to prepare the search pattern here, SP. What is my search pattern I need to prepare? Take care. And the next, marks list. Marks list is equal to RE dot find all because it search for the entire thing. SP comma GD. What is the SP now? Very good. /D plus. Understand? /D plus. So we are going to get the marks. Print of what now? Marks list. Marks list. So you try to write it. Here I'm writing marks list. Marks list. Marks list. So I'm going to write it marks extract. So marks extract. Example.py. Example.py. So try to get it now. Try to see this. Execute py. Here I'm going to write it. All marks list is coming. So this is going to give you syntax warning. To avoid that, I will write it what students, or I will write it, or you can write it, or you can write it like this. Even some people can say like this also. The old code this is, and don't worry about it. Compile of 100. Compile. No need to compile because by default you can work now. This is a older code. RE dot compile of what now? Or I need to write there also D plus and that SP I need to pass it. You will be getting the same answer now. There is no special award is not given by writing this compile of unnecessary. This is going to be waste of our time. So don't try to bother about the legacy code. Old techniques, you don't worry about it. Are you following me? Right? How to print the names here? How to print the marks here? Print off. Writing there. Something like this. There I'm writing print of marks of students. Marks of students. There I would like to get it students. Here I'm saying there I will write it print of for marks in marks list print of what here marks print of marks will write it /t dot format of what marks. So written like this, try to execute So you are going to get it. Marks of students got it. Are you following me now? So coming to this place now, from this you want to get 2 digits or 3 digits if you want to get it. Yesterday I said now plus star symbol, all those things you can use it. Are you able to follow now? Right. So here I will go for, in place of this you can write what also. In place of this you can write what, 0 to 9 you can write like this. So here I will write it. What is this? Plus you can write it plus. If you want 4 digits, 5 digits, any numbers are there, you can write it 0 to 9. It is going to be taken as what? You can write something like what? 3. Or if you want to 4, you can write a 4 like this. You can get the type of data. So, Kanaya, so yesterday only that was done, my dear student. So you need to write what? Curly brace and you need to take it. Even mobile number validation also done or not? Mobile number validation also done, right? Take care and try to implement. So, Kanaya, already done. Mobile number validation you see with the country code, all these things is done. Take care about that. Next, one more. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Kanaya, for that you have written 4 digit number means 777 is also 4. You have to write programmatically 777. Programmatically you have to write it. Because regular expression is going to be any 4 digit number. There is no separate regular expression for 777, not like that. At the time of writing the coding, you have to write a special condition for that. Special condition. So some 4 digit number I want, some 4 digit number if you don't want means you have to write a condition. Generally, regular expression is applicable for the total data. So some 4 digits if you want, 77 if you don't want, you have to write a program for it. So out of this, for example, I don't want this 33. I have to write what? Condition. Condition I have to write it. How do I write a condition there? Here I will write it. What is this now? If marks not equal to 33. Marks not equal to 33. That time only other than 33 will come. Other than 33 will come. So marks not equal to 33. Marks is equal not equal to 33. So I think this is only a execute it. Execute it. Students values are coming. Here marks. If marks no str type of what is coming, that we need to see. Int of first we will see what is the type of that marks. Maybe str it is taking. Now it is going to be applicable. Now done. It is an integer type. Earlier it is taken as what? Str. Kanaya, I think you are understanding. So it is going to be supposed to be taken as what? Convert into what type? Int type and compare it. By default, it is taken the form of what? Str type. So I converted into which type? And comparison. So it is our own programmatic model to apply that kind of stuff. Okay. Next, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract names and marks. Which will extract names and marks. Which will extract names and marks. Which will extract names and marks from given text. From given text. How do I get it? Names and marks now. Look at on the screen. Look at on the screen. Here I will take up others here. Now I'm taking Python here. Now see students, program for extracting names, extracting names and marks from given text using regular expressions. This is my data students. Now I need to prepare for names as well as what marks I need to get it. Simple, already names related, already got it. Marks related also you got it. Now I want to go for it. Come on. Names list is equal to Directly I will write it. RE dot find all search pattern. I will write it. I will write it. A to Z, A to Z, A to Z plus. I need to. Don't give space here like this. Don't give space like this. Space also will be counted there. Regular expressions are very dangerous. So need to apply. Don't give spaces like this. If you give spaces, it will be considered space also to be taken up after that. Comma. What I need to write? GD. Because of the names list will come. Next what I want? Marks list I want. Next RE dot find all of. What is this now? Same. Same. I will take it as what? Slash D. Slash D. I will write R over there. R over there. What should I do? Plus, I will write it. Comma, what I will write? GD, I will write it. Both names and marks are printed. Here, names list and next is called what? Print of what marks list will be coming. Marks list will be coming. Here, names plus names marks. Names marks extract example dot py. Names marks extract example dot py. Execute it. Py names extract marks dot py. Both of them are two list objects are coming, two list objects. What to do now? I need to take a here printing like this. Print of, I'm writing names and marks like a tabular format I want to print. I want to print like a tabular format. So I'm going to write it something like this. Here I'm writing print. I'm writing backslash t names backslash t marks. I will take it. You already know, students. There I will write it for names, comma marks in zip of names list, comma what marks list. I am going to take it. Names list plus marks list. There I am going to write it backslash t. I'm going to take it backslash t. Will write it dot the format of names comma what marks. Names comma marks I will take up. So this is a tabular format. Both of them are printed. So execute it. Names plus marks extract example.py. Try to run it. Try to run it. So here I'm going to get it. Names plus what? Marks, which are going to come. I think following this. So names plus marks, you take it. This is the data we got it. So backslash t, another backslash t here, and KVR got something like 11 marks here. Like this, if I take it, so you'll be getting extra that my value also coming. Are you following? So like this, one can get names and marks. Now, how to apply the same regular expressions on files also you can apply. Regular expressions to be applied on every moment of the time. Understand? You can apply regular expressions even in where in data frames also you can apply for numpy also you can apply for searching for data validations, things like pattern matching kind of applications. These are all right. So the same example I want to do from where files, right? Right on. Next, online students. At the end of the class today, I am not talking with you because at the end of the class I will talk to offline students. So daily I used to speak to you at the end of the class every day with offline students. Today, online students need to express. You need to so you need to express your views at the end of the class in the chat window only. You need to express your views in the chat window only. So directly connecting. Do you have any doubts? That type of things will not be there. So you can express your views for a few minutes. I will talk to you and I will chit chat with you. Then I will ingest this. Daily I'm talking to you, student. From the day one onwards, okay, I will keep my mic and I will talk to you. Okay, not an issue. Okay. So anyhow, students, let us, I will move to the further. Kanaya, sir, please open once your cam. Why, my dear student? Hmm? So a cam is they disabled, my dear student. So they disabled that video. So to what is that? A last wish. Okay. So not last wish because my mobile number is given for you. Anytime you can wish, anytime you can talk to me. So here, here, mm, okay. So anyhow, KVR sir is there in your mobile number I gave. I gave my mobile number, a WhatsApp number that is. You can see the DP also. Okay. I already said in the files also how that my image is available. So, so today is a Saturday. I'm in T-shirt only. So, okay. So that DP, whatever is there in the WhatsApp window, that DP picture, it is in my home. So on one festive time, I took that photo. I put it in Dasara time. I put it. You can view that, and that is KVR sir. Okay. Now I will move to the files. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Ashraf, yes sir. Please open camera, sir. Okay. So camera option is disabled, my dear student. Don't worry about it. So certain things should be always hidden and need not to worry about it. If at all you want, you can talk to me in video call also in every afternoon. Video call, I can talk to you. But single talking is difficult because sir may ask some questions. That fear is there. Even though I give my mobile number now, most of the people are not talking to me. Not talking. Why? I don't know why they are not talking. Maybe he's asking some questions. Why all these tensions unnecessary? Like that they are maybe. So, Bhargav, hmm, sir, you have shared your screen. If you open your camera, then your face will be visible. So, okay. Bhargav, sir, please share your number once again. So my number is already shared. Already my number is shared. Already my number is there. Once again, I am sharing it. Bhargav. So it is available to everybody. My mail ID also I will give you. My mail ID I will give you through program. One more program I will tell you. In this class, I will share it. Okay, my dear students. So come to the point of it. Now, once again, I shared my number, students. You take care. Now, this is the data. Write down. Write a Python program. Same questioning with files. Write a Python program which will extract names and marks of the students, which will extract names and marks of the students, which will extract names and marks of the students, which will extract names and marks of the students from given file, 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 where it contains students' data, where it contains student data, where it contains student data. Now, students, look at mom. This is my given data. I'll take this data now. There I'm going to write it. One file I want to create with the same data. How do you go for that file? New normal text. So there I'm trying to keep it. It is something like how do you create the file normally? Like that. So this is my file data and add some number of names and a number of names and then add it and then marks. You go on writing so many. So save it. File save. Now I'm going to save it. Regular expressions. Under the notes, I'm saving it. Students, students dot data. Students dot data, save it within the double quotes because I am taking dot txt. You know this style already. And just try to save it. So it is done. Now I want to write a regular expressions program. So what you will do, students? What you will do now? Go to others, Python here. I'll write it. Program for program for extracting the names. Main thing is how to get the data from the file. Extracting the names and what marks from given file given file where it contains data, where it contains student data, where it contains students data. Tell me, import what? Re. Start. How to get the data from the file? You have to say with open. I think files almost close, almost forget na. Remembering remembering tell me next what to do. Hmm? file 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 name. What is the file name? File name to be specified with a complete path, so that you will take it. Absolute path I need to take it. Absolute path I need to take it. So here, this place, and here, where is it? Regular expressions, regular expressions, and the notes. This is my data. Carry this entire thing. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. This part I'm going to say here. What is this now? Students, students, dot data, dot data, comma what? R mode I need to write it. R mode. As what here? FP. FP. So students, if I need to write a double slashes here, double slashes I need to write. Okay, done. And if that file is not there, you'll be getting as what? Which exception? Yes, file not found error. File not found error. So here I will write it. Print of file does not exist. File does not exist. File does not exist. Here I'm going to write it. Cause inside of that, I need to go for what? Opening the file is open. Now I need to read the complete data or not. How do you read it? FP dot read off. So it will give you what? File data. File data is equal to. So try to check by yourself, get this file data. So I'm going to write it, students, print file data once. So first try to get it. How to get the names? So I will get it. Names and marks, names, marks, names, marks, extract files. Files dot what? Py. Py. So try to save it. Try to save it. Execute it. Go to this place, students. Py. Here I am writing it. It is going to get it something like this. It is going to give you something like this. Okay. Now, if we add something to the file, add something here. And one more thing is called what you write it here. So like this, Lilin, Lilin marks. Lilin marks is 22, 22 marks. Lilin marks 22. Just to try to save it, try to execute. So you'll be getting Lilin marks is 22. Whatever you add it, you will be getting it. From that file, I need to get it. Simple. It ends the matter. Now file data, I'm getting it. Now do what? Same program. What is the file data? Which type? str data only. It is an str data only. Which one I need to write? Same. Come on. Names list is equal to re dot find all of same to same mechanism a to z of a to z of plus comma file data. I got file data. Next is marks list is equal to re dot find all of, I will write it here, slash d of slash d plus, I can write it. I need to write what here? Or I will write it, comma, what I'll write it? File data. File data, I got it. Now I need to print it. Same, like instead of typing it again, I'll carry this. I'll carry this mechanism. So here I'll carry this now. Try to print this data, students. Try to print this data. Got it. Execute now. Execute this part. There you say execute. Py. So this is what we are getting it. Are you following? How much bigger the file is? How much bigger the file is? That entire file data we can do by using what? Read the data from the file and pass that file data to the regular expression so that you can get the find all mechanism will apply on this data and we can extract the data, something like this. Clear up? Easy, students, not a difficult at all. Now, another example I want to go for it. So another last example I will go for it. Right on. Open it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will extract the mails, which will extract the mail IDs, which will extract the mail IDs, which will extract the mail IDs from the given, which will extract the mail IDs from given data where it is available in file, where it is available in file, where it is available in file, where it is available in file. So let me go to the file related thing. So here there is a file. This is a file here, students. Now I'm going to take it one more file I want to create it. Go to the new file, new normal text. There I will try to write it. Take care. Here I'm writing it. Rosum mail ID is Rosum mail ID is Rosum underscore something like py python at the rate psf.com, comma, Ravi's mail ID is Ravi's mail ID is mail ID. Mail ID is Ravi's. I'll write it. Ravi's underscore n at the rate numpy.org. Numpy.org. Hunter mail ID is, now I'm writing here. Hunter mail ID is, so something like John underscore Hunter. John Hunter. It's yours, your wish. Hunter John. Hunter John. At the rate 12. At the rate, I can say, at the rate matplotlib. Matplotlib dot co dot in, for example. Matplotlib dot co dot in. Next, Dennis mail ID is, like that I have so many mail ID students. Mail ID is is Dennis Dennis1 Dennis1 at the rate of Bell Labs dot net dot in Bell Labs dot net dot in. Richie mail ID is Richie mail ID is mail ID is Richie underscore 12 at the rate something like Microsoft.com. Microsoft.com. Here I'm writing it. Microsoft.com. And Gosling mail ID is, I'll write like this. Mail ID is something like James. James. Here I'm writing James underscore G at the rate sun.com. Sunmicrosystem.com. Next, KVR mail ID is, now I'm giving my mail ID. Mail ID is kvr1 dot python at the rate gmail.com. Gmail.com. This is my mail ID, students. All the students must notice this. I'm sending the mail ID in the chat window to everybody. Can notice that. And Lilin mail ID is Lilin, Lilin, Lilin underscore something like L dot at the rate of something like tcs.com, tcs.com, right? So this is my mail ID data, students. Save it. I'm going to write it in this notes. I'm going to write it mails dot mails.info. It's my own file name. It's my own extension to take up. New others here saying here program for program for extracting extracting names and then what mail IDs mail IDs from mail IDs from what file where it contains mail mail IDs where it contains mail ID informations mail ID information. Import RE import RE there I'm going to write it. So here I will write it names mails extract .py. See students, how do I get the names? That is an important. So I'm going to get it first with open same try try with open, you know, complete path of the file you need to take it. Complete path of the file you need to take it. So there it is going to be like this 4 p.m. regular expressions. Under that notes, there is a mails.info is there that I will carry as it is. So students, go to this place. Here I will put it across and I will write it mails.info. Mails.info, comma what? You need not to write even R also. By default, it is which mode only? R mode only. So you need to take care about double slashes, students. Double slashes only you need to take care. This is a data I need to take care. And here file data is equal to fp dot read off fp dot read off. Are you following me? Right. So here after that you print this once file data once and I'll write it an exception name. What is it? File not found error. File not found error. Found error. And of I will just say print of file does not exist. File does not exist. File does not exist. So execute this, students. So Ferdin, can we use Python in building Android based applications? Python 3.8, 3.9, when 3.10 was there, that was a little slow that we cannot use it. From 3.11 onwards, you can use in Android building applications. You can you can use you can use from 3.12 onwards, which is more speed than previous one. 3.8, 3.9 are lesser in speed now compared to 3.9, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, which is increasing very fast. They increased very fastest facilities they provided in the version improvements. You can use it for DIN. So execute it. Try to go for this. PY. Here I'm going to write it. Total data is coming. Total file data is coming. From that file data, I want to get it. I want to get mail IDs. So this file data, I'm sure about it. You got it. So I want to get it what here? Mails and names. Anyhow, names list is equal to re dot find all of, you know, A to Z and then small a to Z plus comma file data. That is easy. Mails list is equal to RE dot find all of. I will take up regular expression here and then what? File data. Regular expression is something like a plan to be applied on my given data. Understand? If I go to any supermarket, I want to buy walnuts. So in my mind, walnut is my search pattern. I want to buy figs. I want to buy figs. So I will be there in my mind, only that part will be there, right or not? So that part is something like a regular expression here. See students, go to this place once, observe it. I'm preparing the regular expression. All of you look at. First of all, in my mail ID, what is the symbolic notation is available here? At the rate symbol is available or not? Left side symbolic at the right side symbolic notation is there. Left side what is available? Left side what is available? I have I have to take care about it. Left side symbolic notation is required. Right side symbolic notation is required. Left side of it I need to take what? Take all the letters. Take all the letters. Take all the letters without any spaces. Right side also take all the values without any spaces. Are you following me? At the rate symbol is compulsory. Left of at the rate symbol take all the non-space characters. Right side also take all non-space characters. What is that symbol? So forget capital S plus. First of all, what is capital S which I said in the class? Non-space characters. How many? Here. At the rate left side is what? Non-space character. If I write only slashes, it will give you only what? One letter is going to come. But how many I want? One or more. Right side also what? Slashes. I will write what? Plus. What it indicates? First of all, small is what? Space. If I write capital S, what is that? Non-space characters. Non-space characters means it will display all the values or not. But all the values I one by one I don't want. All the values at once I want. Left side of at the rate symbol, all non-space characters. Right side of that is called what? All non-space characters. I think you are following that. I will apply here. Tell me, what is that? Slash yes plus at the rate slash yes plus slash yes plus. Here I am going to write it or comma or I need to write. Are you following me? First of all, did you understand this? Small s is what? Space. Capital S means what? Non-space. Left side all non-space characters, right side all non-space characters. Perfect. That's nice. Print, print what here? Names list. Print names list once and print what mails list you printed. Print mails list. Try to run once again. Try to look at whether it is able to retrieve it or not. So I'm getting perfectly. All the names are coming and all the mail IDs are also coming. I will print one adjacent to each other. Shall I print one adjacent to each other? So let us print. Here I am writing print of. I will take up this data. So here I am going to write it. Print backslash t. Names I am going to print it. Names backslash t. Mail IDs I am going to print. Mail IDs. Mail IDs I will print it. There I am trying to write it. There I am trying to write it. Here I am going to say. Here I am going to say. Come on. What is this now? Names, comma, mails in zip of names list, comma, mails list, mails list, mails list. Okay. Now I'm going to print it here. What names I want to print backslash t. I'll print a dot format of names, comma, mails, names, comma, mails. So execute that. Try to see. So you are getting names plus mails. So pakka answer is coming. All the data is going to come. So I think it is more clear. Kana, nice, huh? Fine. So everything is nice. Now this is called my topic name. So my mail ID is also there. I gave my mail ID. This is my topic. So this will be completing the course of mine. So online students, now my course is over. Now I'm going to say for all of you, God bless you. God bless you and all the best and best of luck. So now this is my site I'm going to give. Fine. Sub. Okay. Sub is also there. 1 minute students. Sub is also there. Sub function is also there. Substitute. Spell out. What is that? Substitute. See that there is a substitute function is there. Predefined functions, you take it. Just to go to that sub function. Just look at mom. The rain in Spain. The rain in Spain. What is this? D space rain space in Spain. RE dot substitute. Who will identify the space? Slashes. Slashes indicate what? Space. In that space, what you are substituting? 9. Which data? Text data. So I will go to, I'll go to, now I'm going to take a example. Now I'm going to take an example. Something like go to the place. Here I'm writing it. Instead of typing again, it will take a lot of time. So here I will take it. Go to this place. Now here I'm writing it. So 1 minute, listen. Later you can express your views. So I will write it. I'll write it. This is the one I'm going to write it. This is the one I'm going to write it. Go to this place. So here I'm going to write it like this. So space with what? Arrow. Space with arrow I'm going to write it. The sub function will substitute which letter? Space character with what? Arrow. Arrow. I want to substitute the arrow with. So let us move to the further. Try to run students. Here sub example, sub function example, sub function example. Easy, not a big deal, not a big deal. Execute it. Go to the place, regular expressions. Go to this, execute py sub function example. So anyhow, I will write it or say here, execute it. So like this. God bless you. All the best and best of luck, students. Thank you. Now, coming to the, now I am saying students, online students, I will chit chat with you for a few minutes. So you can express your views about my lectures. So Sneha and I will see. Fadin onwards. Shika. Sir, thank you, sir. Shika. Pratik Mishra. Thank you, sir. Sneha. Thank you so much, sir. Malvika. Thank you so much, sir. Really sad that course got over. Okay, Mom Malvika. One day the course has to complete. One day I have to go to the job. One day I have to go to the job. So while going to the job, definitely student time we enjoyed here and there, but going to the job, really responsible. Fine. Ishika, thank you so much, sir, for your guidance and teaching us. After school life, I got a teacher like you who guided us like a child. Thank you again, sir. Thank you, mom. Ishika. Next, Ferdin, very much satisfied to be a part of your class, sir. The most dedicated teacher, very rare in present days. Thank you, my dear student. Ferdin. Next up, Jyoti, thank you so much. You are the best. Thank you, Ma Jyoti. Yashwant, what about Django, sir? See, Django. So, if any course started, I will handle. If Django started, I'll bring my Django bat and I will play. If Python bat, Python bat, NumPy bat, whatever the course they give, I will take up. Vaishnavi, sir, you are the you are an inspiration for us to us. We will miss you, sir. We hope we hope you will take Django classes. We are eagerly waiting for them. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Ma Vaishnavi. Savita, Savita Biswal. Thank you so much, sir. We are grateful and gratitude. Thank you, Ma. Shika. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Ma. Bhargav. So, thank you so much, sir. Bharat Bhushan Behra. We are proud because we found a great teacher and supporter in our life. One teacher who teaches at 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. for a student's career growth and his study style unique from others. He is only one of our legend, K.V. sir. Thank you, my dear student. We always miss you, sir. Sorry, students, we won't miss him because mobile number is available. Mobile number is available. So one call, remember all things of 4 months study. That's why I gave my mobile number. Nothing missing. You may forget me, but whenever I see you, I will recognize. Even in if I come to Maharashtra, if I see any student in Maharashtra, I can recognize you. Anywhere else, if I see, even in metro station, if I see, I will just look at you. I can find out. Yes, he is so and so batch. In which chair also you will remember. I will get my classroom regular expression. I will find out where you sat also. So like that, students. So thank you, my dear student. Bharat Bhushan, thank you. Ramakrishna, thanks a lot. Ramakrishna, thank you. So Pra Rajkata, Rajakata, thank you, sir. Thank you, Mahbub Khan. Thank you, my dear student. Ranjit, thank you, sir. We have truly enjoyed your teaching. Hoping you he- hoping to hear good news from Naresh IT soon about teaching Django. My dear student, definitely when they start, I'll definitely will take up that. So Swastika, thank you, sir. Yashwant, it's wonderful, sir. Thank you. Thank you, my dear student. Abhishek Rokhade, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Abhishek. Swarna Smita Das, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Ma Swarna. Bharat Bhushan, thank you. Neha, thank you, Ma. Ishika, when we joined Django session by KVR, sir, we'll see, Ma. I'm saying one thing. If it is ready, I will come to the class. Like how I come to the class, same style, same way, will teach. Jyoti, I'm grateful for your guidance and encouragement, sir. Thank you for being an incredible teacher. Thank you, Ma Jyoti Yadav. Next, Swarna. You're the best teacher, sir. Thank you, Mom. Jairam. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, right, Mom. Avipsha, Sir Dijango, Sir Dijango, please. Okay. Okay, Ma. Avipsha, just now I said no. When they start, we'll take up. Somnath, thank you, sir. Request, please take Dijango batch also. Okay. Somnath will consider. I, Ajay, sir, the question you showed us on the string based as well as pattern based, could you please send it that also? Definitely, because pattern based 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is all called a C based kind of thing. If possible, I'll send from my side question and answers also. Regularly be in touch with the Google Drive. We'll be going on sending some different examples for you. Try to be in touch with it. So, Adnan, sir, project already discussed, Adnan. EDA projects, Python level also, we discussed it. Next, Ishika. So, Seema Ishika. So, don't expect for the lifetime because the hard disk is maybe becoming full or something will be becoming full. And try to download the total thing. By tomorrow evening, I will keep this entire notes for you. In entire course content, I'll keep in 2 zip files. I will keep it. The 2 zip files I will give you. and keep the zip files in your place. And I'll post all interview based questions, MCQs, and everything. I'll post it. 3 zip files I will keep it. Keep that, download and preserve in your hard disk. Right? Panchanana. Thank you so much, sir. I'm very much happy about your classes. Your notes is Bible to get the job. Thank you, Panchanana. So, Kanaya, you are the big boss, sir. If you want, you can take Django. So, I'm not a big boss. My big boss is Guido Van Rossum, and my students are my my what do you call my strength. So, based on my student strength only, I'll take my class. Actually, taking morning to evening classes is not a joke, you know. It's very danger. Morning to evening, almost 10 hours going on talking is not a joke. It's very horrible. But this is not 1 year or 2 years, almost 28 years I'm taking. It's habituated, just habituated. Okay. Thank you, my dear student. Kanaya, thank you, mom. So I'm not a big boss. I'm a normal like Kanaya, like Fadin, like Kaustav, like Ishika, like every student. I'm also like you only. Actually, I feel sometimes I want to sit along with every student, but it is not possible now. I have to sit here and I have to talk. So I want to sit in the middle of the students. I want to teach the class, but not possible. So I have to sit separately only. Kaustav, your discipline is inspiring us, sir. Hope to emulate you. Thank you, my dear student. Ishika, notes and everything I'll send, ma. Shivas is Shahu. Thank you, sir. We are missing you. Malvika, sir, please let me know when 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 I are starting NumPy, Panda and Matplotlib. Will intimate ma. NumPy pandas will not be starting immediately. It takes 1 month plus. We can't say now itself. So, Shahil, thank you, sir, for your teaching. Shahil, thank you, ma. Venkatramana, thank you very, very much for excellent teaching. Thank you, Venkatramana. Govind, thank you, my dear student. Rajshekhar, Ganesh, Anaya. So, hmm, sir, you read WhatsApp message. Generally, I don't open WhatsApp message in the class. Generally. So, somebody may be sending WhatsApp message, it seems. So,